Cleaning scanned documents with unwanted ink marks is now incredibly simple using AI tools. Start by opening your browser and searching for Grok, then open the website and log in to your account. Once you're inside, tap on the plus icon and choose the Upload File option to upload the scanned document you want to clean. After uploading, write a detailed prompt explaining what you want to improve. For example, removing unnecessary ink marks, cleaning stains, or improving the readability of the file while keeping the original document content unchanged. When everything is ready, click on the Submit button and let the AI process your request. Within seconds, the tool generates a cleaner and more polished version of the document with the unwanted marks reduced or removed. Once the result is ready, simply download it with one click and reuse it wherever needed. This AI workflow makes restoring scanned files fast, easy, and mobile-friendly.